This Sunday morning 9:30 to 1:30 p.m. Dr. Bachelor Remedies workshop is there. Dr. Bachelor Remedies are one system of healing. Any health issues you have or any aspects of life, including children's education, job, career, or profession, or so issue with the money, or you want to learn new things, or something you want, something is not working for you. 100% solution in Dr. Bachelor Remedies workshop. I am leading from more than 20 years. I am leading thousands. I'm using the word thousands of success stories we have. Just 4 hours. Completely focus on 4 hours. Miracles will happen. So many new things you are learning. Many positive changes you can see in that workshop. Lot of abundance is possible to attract by after attending this workshop. Now let us start action. So, Vishwa Poornima Yoga Centre, HAL branch. I am Dr. Venkatesh, more than 30 years of experience in teaching, coaching, guiding in alternative healings. Start action.